Udan. And I say the project has really taken wings and it will go high. The bird will soar. It will soar. These girls whom they have sponsored, I'm sure that one day they're going to shine in life. You have to see the background, the homes they come from. Very poor, very needy. Father is a taxi driver, the mother is a housemaid. Sometimes they come from broken homes, alcoholic father, and literally living in house. But then they have risen above it all. They have put it behind them rather, to go on. And I'm happy that I've been of some help to them. And I'm really grateful for what Rotary is doing. And I'm sure this, what you call, dust to dignity that they have been given a chance to do for themselves, to become more dignified from the poverty, the level of poverty that they're living in. Tomorrow they're definitely going to be women of power, women of strength, women of courage, who will understand the needs of these others and will come forward. And this is one thing that I always put into the head. If you can, help the others.
It's been a life of fulfillment for me, and the Rotaries have sponsored so many children, I cannot even dream of it that I could ever do it. I would pick them up and sponsor on my own, and as soon as someone would say, okay, we'll do it, I would send these children, and there they would be picked up, and the money would, the fees would be given, and I would take care of the rest of them. I keep in touch with them, and they come to me with the fees, they have paid the fees. They would come to me with the reports, and I would see that every time they have to perform with the 5% mark percentage, they have to get better.
Udan is a project by Rotary Mahanagar which provides scholarship to needy children. Conceptualized 2 years back by Shekhar Mehta, it has been benefiting almost 150 children today. The lower income group has become so much aware about education nowadays that they go to any lengths to provide education to their children. We have students coming through all means and processes. One is through member reference. So those students are already assessed by the members. If they are needy, they are sent to us and we start the scholarship for them. And another way is we visit schools directly and visit the principals, find out who all parents are needy. There are many such schools in Calcutta which provide education to this lower income group people, and very good education at that. English medium schools like Arya Vidya Mandir, Central Model Prep School, Khalsa High School. We go to the schools, we meet the parents of the needy children, we meet the students, and then we decide whether they are really needy. Usually these children are above average in studies and they come from a very low income group like children of ayahs, drivers, nurses, daily workers, and how happy they are when Rotary extends a helping hand to take the burden of educating the child.